Google Classroom is a free online learning platform in which teachers can distribute, collect, and grade various assignments and activities to their students. So today I'm going to be giving a quick Google Classroom tutorial about how to use some various tools and some things that you might see on your child's Google Classroom account. So, starting with how to access Google Classroom. So, it is a free online learning platform. So, all your child has to do is just log in with their Google account and they'll be able to access Google Classroom. So, here, if you're looking for what it looks like, you can go to the 9-dot little grid over here, and this is what Google Classroom looks like. So, along with Drive, Google Sheets, Google Docs, it's right here, Google Classroom. So, when you click that, it will bring you to the main Google Classroom site. So here, if you click the 3 bars for the main menu, you can click on the classes. Oftentimes, your child will have a bunch of different classes, maybe for the different specials, different classes that your child is in. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go to an archived class. So an archived class is a class in which the teacher has closed. Your child can no longer edit or post anything. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go there. So when you first click on the class, this is how a typical class, a non-archived class would look like as well. It brings you to a stream, and a stream sort of looks like a Facebook page in which the teacher, anytime something is posted, it is updated. The teacher can make announcements from here. Students can even post comments or ask questions through here. It's a great way for teachers and students to interact with each other when they're not readily available, especially for remote learning. So now going into Classwork. So in the Classwork, depending on what your child's teacher likes to, how they like to organize it, it might be by subject, like the teacher here has. The various subjects are organized, and in each subject are the assignments and activities, or it might be by date, it might be grouped by month, just depending on your child's teacher's preference. So looking here, there are assignments, also attendance. So although Google Classroom, the teacher can both assign, collect, and grade various assignments, activities might be posted there. So things that aren't always graded might be posted there. So the teacher might post a video or something that just might not be collected and graded. So going over what an assignment looks like, when you click on here, this is what it looks like. The teacher often has instructions, sometimes an attachment, and in order for your child to actually complete and then submit the assignment, you will have to click View Assignment. So going on to here, it has the amount of points that the assignment is worth. And then over here, it'll typically say the status of the assignment. So an assigned assignment means that it is assigned to your child. It means that it has not been completed yet, but it is within the window of when the assignment is due. So this is an assigned assignment. It is not past the due date. The next assignment the next status is missing. So this means that your child has not submitted something and it is past the due date. So in this case, your child has missed the due date. So depending on what the teacher's rules are, your child might be getting it for half credit, or the teacher might still take it for full credit. So I would say in that case, have your child or you just reach out to your teacher. The 2 other statuses are turned in. Turned in means that the assignment has been turned into the teacher and is awaiting grading from the teacher. And the final one is returned. That means that the teacher has looked over and graded your child's assignment, and a grade is there. So Google Classroom, while it does have grades, these grades must be then inputted into either Genesis or any other grading platform that your school district uses. So these are kind of temporary grades that you see on Google Classroom that are then inputted onto the larger site. So I hope this tutorial was informative and that you learned something from it. Thank you so much.